hard the landing was coming in. Like, I hope it's easier than that today. Remember we had that turbulence at Zeta? Right? And it was so funny. That crazy guy, he was talking about, believing in God. He's like, it's just like when people don't believe there's a resurrection, and all of a sudden that's when the plane went to the side. I'm like, and he was just like, he's like, and then we got all that.
Shut up. Shut up.
It was like all of a sudden there was this cloud right there, like how we were in the closet. That's when the plane jumped. Because some people don't believe in a resurrection.
Hey, shut up. It wasn't shut up. That's
be quiet, Tony.
I know.
Be quiet. Mr. Venetian. Yeah. Here's to you and your fried chicken at every event.
Fried chicken. What in the whole world? There was nothing better. Right?
Yeah.
That was funny. Where's the gumbo? Yeah, who she said it was a gumbo.
Hey.
Where's the cornbread?
Yes.
Give me some sandía.
Right.
Watermelon.
There's no food in that state. Oh my God. Just like with when Catherine and her husband came up to meet me, and so I was telling them I'd been to Greensboro. So I asked the row house if they had cornbread. They said, no, we have cornbread stuffing. You have to have cornbread with greens. So Catherine's like, what? I'm like, just go with it. Holding them all like asleep. First day we had, how we were all starving. You gonna be okay?
Look at them. Poor babies. Poor babies.
I got that one pilot's name. Like, make sure never to.
Did we have the wind out here when it was not hot? Yes, when Thursday it was hot.
It was so hot.
Because I don't feel it today, and I don't feel it a couple days ago.
No. I say Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and then Sunday it started getting low. How much that wind is shaking. That's why I want to see that.
Okay, I've been cleared for departure. Double check your seatbelt.
I'm sure they all do that.
But it's harder when you see it. It's like, no, when it was right there. When it's that the winning was here, and I can count all the things is not there, and I said, oh my God, that's broken. That one is missing. Oh my God, I don't know. Please, let's even closer. Maybe no. You know that they can't. Yeah. real.
Seriously. And I wonder if that over there is the Gulf of Mexico.
That's true. Why you have to turn this way?
Right?
No.
Is this the way home?
I know. Oh Lord. Oh my God! Look at the river.
The what?
The river.
That's something.
And I bet it's long.
Oh,
As you wish. Let's go to the other side. Oh.
oh, and then where the river drains out to the ocean.
Yes. Look at the clouds. We saw them so high, and now we're going to see them down.
So that's what I was just thinking. I'm like, oh, to be above the clouds. Last year she was it's an angel, Miss Kendall.
Yeah, I want to see the angel jumping now because I am able to see it now. Oh my God, look at how beautiful.
We have been cleared for departure. Double check your seatbelt.
What?
We have reached 10,000 feet. You're more than welcome to use your portable electronic devices. Please make sure that they are in airplane mode. While in airplane mode, you're free to connect to our Southwest Wi-Fi where we offer free live, complimentary TV, the internet, and text messaging may be purchased separately with a credit card. For more information, refer to your Southwest magazine in the backseat pocket near you. Seatbelt signs are illuminated. Please remain seated while those signs are on. We have one lavatory up front and one lavatory in the back. For security reasons, please not from a line of the forward lavatory and if it's occupied, please use your seat until it becomes available. In a few moments, we will begin a quick in-flight service